Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new mining earning website where you can earn a Tron TRX very easily and freely. Every year we give away up to 330 TRX for free through our Tron faucet. No frills and no hidden agenda in this website. Now you can also check recent payout of this earning platform. You can check how much people taken their payouts from this website in a recent way. Now, in case if you want to reach here, I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. If you want to create account, you just need to click on sign up option. And here you need to put your username, then email and put password 2 places and fill up the captcha. I am not a robot, and click on sign up option. You can sign up on this website very easily in this way. Now I already have account. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this earning platform. FAQ option is also available. You just need to click on FAQ option and here you got every answer of your question. If you have any question, you can get answer over here. That is very useful option. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this earning platform. After just login and registration and sign up in this website, you can see here you got an option to verify your email. If you can verify your email, then you can get bonus faucet, about 10 bonus faucet over here. You can get up to 50 TRX from this bonus program. You can check each and everything over here. If you scroll down, you can see here after every 1 hour you can win up to 30 TRX from this website. That is very useful option for all of us. Game is also available. You can also check my balance in my account, how much TRX Tron I earned from this website. If you want to play game, then you just need to click on games option. And here you can see we have many games. The first one is dice, then slots, gems, mines, and many more games is available to play here to earn more and more Tron TRX from this website. You can also check 50 TRX target about this earning mining platform. Contest is also available and surveys is also available. If you can search, click here and the table below shows the surveys you have taken. I have not taken any survey, then that's why the survey is not show here. You can also deposit here. You can also take withdraw from here. If you want to deposit it, then you can read all these user information about this deposit option, and you just need to copy this address, paste this address in any other crypto wallet to deposit here very easily. If you want to take withdraw, you just need to click on withdraw option, and here you can see you can get minimum 15 TRX withdraw, and here you need to put your Tron address and amount here and click I am not a robot and click on withdraw option. You can take withdraw from here very easily. The transaction fee is fixed at 0.2 TRX from this way. Affiliate program is also available. You can also check recent payouts of this mining platform. You can check how many people take out withdraw from this website. Affiliate program is also available. You just need to click on affiliate option, and here you go to your affiliate link. You just need to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member, other person. Join this website and work in this website. You can get more and more earning from your referral. Hopefully you like and you love it. And if you want to get this type of more information video and earning video and mining video, you just need to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon